Okay, if you have a Keurig coffee maker and it's leaking at the bottom, such as mine is, and it's no longer under warranty, I'm going to show you how to fix it very easily. First, you're going to need a very small O-ring. Now, this O-ring actually happens to be I purchased it at a fishing store, and it's used to rig up a wacky worm. So it's very small, but I'm sure you can get in a plumbing store, you can get one the same. Anyways, we're probably going to need a pair of needle nose to get this O-ring over the nozzle, and I'm going to see if I can do it real quickly here. Let's see, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to, I could use an extra hand, which I don't have, but probably another tool. There it goes. And then you need to get the pliers out, and you just push that O-ring right down as far as it'll go. Okay. Then when you fill this reservoir up with water and put it on your coffee maker, you'll no longer get any leakage. So I hope this helps you, and thanks for watching. Bye now.